An operating system, or OS, is software that manages computer hardware and software resources, while also providing common functions for computer programs. There are many operating systems available, but this video will focus on the Reduced Instruction Set Computer Operating System, or RISC OS. The characteristics, features, advantage, and disadvantages will be discussed by presenters named Erix Maria Dalanon and Marjay Tolentino.
In 1987, the Acorn Archimedes computers were the first to use the Reduced Instruction Set Computer Operating System, or RISC OS. Para ma-meet nila yung mga needs, nilikha ng Acorn Computers Ltd. Ang Acorn RISC Machine, or ARM. Ito ay may 32-bit RISC CPU. In contrast to x86 processors, ang ARM processors ay hindi gumagamit ng active fan dahil mayroon itong a very low power consumption at mababang lower thermal heating. Ang RISC OS ay nangailangan lang ng ROM and it is protected from data damage. Example is from viruses. Compared sa ibang operating system, ito yung special feature niya. Para may upgrade ang operating system, papalitan lang natin siya ng OS ROMs. Yung mga mas bagong RISC OS computers ay merong flash ROMs at pwedeng may upgrade sa pinakabago without hardware interaction. Now, proceed tayo sa system features. Ang RISC OS ay isang special and efficient operating system. Ang hardware and software function nito ay maraming pagkakaiba sa Mac OS or Apple Mac or Windows IBM PC. However, this does not derive direct disadvantages. Ang driver software for extensions ay integrated in the ROM and can be tied by plug and play in the operating system. Sa pang-araw-araw na gamit ito, it behaves very stable since ito ay tested extensively and has proved itself worldwide. And syempre yung the narrow coupling of the operating system to the computer provides the perfect cooperation. Kapag na-encounter natin ang pag-crash ng application, i-remove ito sa memory pero hindi matadamay ang system. Ang source code ay written manually sa isang malaki and optimized for the ARM. Ang RISC OS ay nangangailangan lamang ng 4 MB ng storage sa ROM. Yung extension with a fixed disk sa paggawa ng virtual RAM, this ay possible din dito. Sa karagdagan, para maprotektahan ng system, gagamit tayo ng password sa CMOS RAM pack procedure after cold start state fewer than 30 seconds. You can select between the BBC Basic Mode, Desktop Mode, and Command Line as shell. It's modularized at mayroon itong super modules which can be added to the system. Sa loob ng 13 years, ang multitasking GUI nitong ay naging standard for the RISC OS. Dahil ito ay napaka-user-friendly and effective in daily use. Setting Manager naman, the bitmap is optimized that results in very good print results. Character fonts are smooth with anti-aliasing. Ang mga standard applications about RISC OS are Edit for word processing, Paint for bitmap pictures, and Draw for vector pictures, which are based on up to 24-bit color resolution. 16-bit sound support are included then as the native support of long file names. The file management allows storing of arbitrary many files in directories. A special character like slash, exclamation point, dollar, and percent are usable for file names without restriction. Possible din ang versatile interactions with a 3-mouse key that can be made on desktop possible. So, menus are invoked comfortably with the middle mouse button in all Windows. The Windows and the desktop supports generally drag and drop, just like the clipboards applies to the complete system. RISC OS is flexible. The complete system configurations can be done on the command line. Compact applications like Easy Writer, Professional Plus, comparably with Microsoft Word, needs only 1,101 KB of storage and 860 KB of RAM. Temporary files are never needed and created. RISC OS supports DPMS or Display Power Management Signaling and offers with a built-in programming language BBC Basic from the own ARM assembler. The simple TCP or IP supports open the internet to the user. Now-first naman tayo sa characteristics. Una na dito ay ang RISC OS 4 logo browser with HTML 3.2, CSS, SVG, JavaScript, Flash supports FAT, ADFS, ISO 9660, further FSR reloadable. 26-bit addressing prevents the use of newer 32-bit CPUs, virtual memory addressing only by additional software, dynamic storage management, microkernel modularized code, blackset. Only cooperative multitasking manages files after type, not after extension. No multi-threading possible. Only few games available. No Unicode support.
General advantages of RISC OS. So number 1, RISC OS is an exceptionally stable operating system. So base na rin sa perspective or experience ng mga user, the stability of RISC OS is tested and trusted by hundreds of thousands users worldwide. Number 2, RISC OS is quite fast. So ang RISC OS is written 46% in C, 44% in handcrafted ARM assembler code, and 10% in BBC Basic. So every time na may new version ng RISC OS on the same hardware, mas nagiging mabilis ang performance ng OS na to, particularly ang RISC OS 4. Number 3, very consistent user interface. Kagaya ng mga modern operating system, RISC OS has cooperative multitasking graphical user interface or GUI, known as the desktop. Then all the desktop file icons, icon bar icons, and window furniture can be replaced. So depende to sa preferred look ng desktop. And this OS has superb graphics with 24-bit color support kagaya ng makikitang picture sa screen. Number 4, almost universal drag and drop for file save, file load, copy, cut, paste, and much more. Bukod rito, the path name of a file can be easily written at the current time cursor position, simply by holding down Shift and dropping the file over the window. Then sa mga user ng OS na to, mapapansin na ang full path name is always shown in the title bar of a directory display. Bukod sa mga na-mention, kaya nito na mag-accommodate ng files with long names at pwede rin ang unlimited number of files per directory. Number 5, easy to learn even for a new user. RISC OS can be used by primary school children since maraming educational software and designed for children, even for a person that has never touched a computer before, through to professional printers, designers, and musicians. So yung kilalang music program na si Belvius ay nagmula sa RISC OS platform. Let's proceed sa general disadvantages of RISC OS. Number 1, web browser. Isa sa web browser ng RISC OS na to is Firefox na kino-consider na very old version of web browser. And also, RISC OS browsers are largely HTML version 3.2 compatible and do not use any Internet Explorer or Netscape Navigator specific extensions. Although, CSS or Cascading Style Sheets, SVG or Scalable Vector Graphics, and JavaScript are supported. Number 2, drivers for certain printers are not available for the RISC OS platform. So yung dahilan for this matter is because the printer's manufacturer has failed to write a driver for use under RISC OS, and it's left to RISC OS printer driver specialist to write the necessary driver. However, many printers are supported. Number 3, RISC OS does not use file extensions. Ang ginagamit lang dito is file types. Sa ibang operating system, pwede kang magkaroon ng dalawang files na may magkaparehong file name. Example, m.txt and m.pl in the same directory or folder. Pero sa RISC OS, hindi pwedeng magkaroon na magkaparehong file name sa isang directory even if they are different types. So, impossible talaga siya mangyari unlike under Windows where m.txt.pl would be possible. Number 4. RISC OS is not multi-threaded operating system. So dito, ang bawat desktop application only has one thread running through it at a time. So pati yung command line sa OS na to is single tasking lang din. Pero pwede namang magbukas sa desktop ng maraming command line tas Windows na magkakasabay. Number 5. RISC OS does not support Unicode. Kahit hindi supported ng RISC OS ang Unicode, kaya naman ito na mag-accommodate ng mga foreign language character sets. Makikita sa screen yung halimbawa ng mga foreign characters.